hot in, hey, so hot in here. It's getting hot, y'all. It is springtime. It's almost summer. And it is time for me to do some spring cleaning. And I really do not want to do it. For instance, these are some of the velvet pieces that are in my closet. And I really don't want to get rid of them for the summer because I feel like I can still play around with them. So one of my favorite velvet pieces is this little hat. You can call it a little hat, a little cover up, so when my hair is a little rough, a little greasy, I can just throw it on and you still look cute and stylish. So if you want to see how I'm going to style some of these velvet pieces this summer, stay tuned. So this is a camisole that I have, very lightweight. It is velvet. It has the lace at the bottom, and I just paired it with some jeans. You'll see that in the back it is a racer back made of lace. So this is something that I definitely would wear in the summer. I either would wear it with some jeans, cut up jeans, or I would wear it with some shorts. This is a floral velvet shirt, so it has purple, yellow, white in it. I got it from Old Navy last fall, and it comes to a nice length. So once again, I probably would wear this with ripped up shorts, maybe even a denim skirt or some black shorts. It's very comfortable, lightweight, it's not too heavy. So you'll realize that a lot of the pieces I'm going to show you, even though it's velvet, they're super lightweight. And this is why I feel like it's versatile. You can wear it in the fall, you can wear it in the spring, you can wear it in the winter. What am I missing? You can wear it in the summer. All right, it's super versatile. It all depends on how you're wearing it. So this is one of my favorite velvet pieces. It is a black romper. It has pinstripe silver lines. I love the deep V. So it's not too deep, but it has it shows your neckline. It's really nice. I enjoy that it has shoulder pads, so it adds something extra to it. It is long sleeves, but it is lightweight. And also it is a romper, so it's shorts. So it's not like you have long sleeves and long pants. It is shorts. And I love the way that the back looks. So it has a plunge in the back too. I paired it with some sparkly black shoes, which fancies it up a little bit more. So this is something that I probably would wear to a wedding reception, an evening party, maybe even a date. It's really comfortable. So the next piece is this wonderful floral dress, short sleeve, once again, lightweight. So it's good for the spring and for the summer. It has the different color flowers on here. I love the green that stands out on it. And I just tried to cinch it in with a belt. And instead of the buckle being in the front, I just have it in the back. So just something a little different. This is a form-fitted icy teal. Icy teal, or you can make it icy mint, whichever you prefer. I do like mint ice cream myself, so maybe we could say icy mint. So this is a icy mint dress. It is midi. It has a split in the back. Me personally, you know how I feel about the visible belly line, so I just ruche it a little bit, and then bada bing, bada boom. You're looking good, feeling good. This is a black short sleeve t-shirt dress that I got from Sword. It has two splits on the side, has a lot of stretch in it, and it's super comfortable. You can wear this dressed up or you can wear it dressed down. Something you definitely can carry into the spring and summer because it's super light. When I think of velvet, no matter what it is, if it's light, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. That's what I love so much about the material. This is a cute piece that I got from Target, I'll say about a year ago. It has the flower, the velvet, and some parts are even mesh that you can see through. I paired it with a white camisole and a midi black skirt, and then some regular nude sandals. So this is something that I would wear to the office, maybe on a Friday. Fridays are usually a laid back day in my office. This is also something I would just wear just in the afternoon if I'm going to the nail salon or going to go chill with my friends. It's super comfortable. You know how I feel about free range clothes. That's what I like to call them. You don't have to worry about having on shapewear. You don't have to worry about when you eat too much, your belly just poking, because it's just going to cover everything. One of my favorite things about this item is I love the fringes that hangs at the bottom. It just adds an extra to it. So it spices the outfit up just a little bit. And the midi skirt is perfect. Remember, if you're going to wear something a little bigger, it's okay if you have something fitted underneath to show your figure and your shade, because we all have one. Yes, we do. One of those dresses. I love the color. It's super nice. You can dress this up. You can dress it down. It has the puff sleeve. So I think that's super cute, the puff sleeve. And it comes a little bit above my knee. Surprisingly, this is something that I found at Primark. Yes, Primark, I'll say like 2 or 3 years ago. And I wear it every chance that I get. Surprisingly, out of all the pieces that you saw so far, this is the one piece that I will not be taking into the spring and summer. It is great quality and it's heavy. So it's something that I typically wear with knee boots in the wintertime, and I may throw a little faux fur on with it or a leather coat. So it depends on what the weather is that day. So unfortunately, this does have to go away. So out of 9 pieces, this is the only piece that I will have to put away, which is okay. The winter will be here before you know it, and I'll be wearing this with my knee boots and my fur coat or my leather jacket. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you enjoyed this video, share, subscribe. Make sure you hit the alert option so you'll be notified the next time I post.